Microsoft Excel is a registered trademark of Microsoft Office products, and I am in no way, shape, or form affiliated with Microsoft Office or Microsoft. Okay, we're going to learn how to use Excel, and we're going to learn how to use Excel statistics. So I'm going to put in some false names and some quantities. Now, mind you, this is just a very simple little thing. Next thing you want to do is you want to go to Tools, and you want to click on Data Analysis. This is going to bring up a data analysis wizard. You get to pick whichever data analysis tool you want to use. We'll use a rank and percentile analysis. Now it's going to pull up. You want to actually pick which range you want to use. Okay. And then labels in the first row. And it's going to insert a new worksheet. And then you click OK. Now if you look down here, you'll see a worksheet that's called Rank. And you look at number 3, or C3, bot 99, its rank was first. It was 100 percentile. Whereas the last one was ranked 4th, bot 56, it's ranked 3rd, and it's a 0 percentile. And that's how you use the statistical analysis wizard, or data analysis wizard in Microsoft Excel.